Maxava Auditing. The Maxava Audits are separate components which can be scheduled and run from the production system. From the graphical display, when you're connected to the production system, you can look at the audits. You can run a object audit, which is data and object. You can run an IFS audit, or you can select a QDLS audit type. When you select the audit that you wish to run, you can have a content, which is the details inside the data files, a description, which is the external component, or an orphan audit. What the orphan audit does is that it sees if there's an extra object on the target system, and then depending on the option you've selected, it'll either report it or it'll attempt to remove that extra item off the target system. You can select specific objects and object types to audit. You have the options of log only, which will just report the error, log and fix, which will report the error and it will send a request to the production system via the autonomics process if a replacement object is required. Or you have local fix, which will repair any authority or any text details that need to be repaired just locally on the target system. These can be submitted as batch jobs, and you can either hold and release at a specific time, or you can schedule it up to 7 days ahead through the scheduling functionality from the job. From the green screen, you can access the Maxava audit commands. So the audit commands can be accessed through the MXAUD command for data and objects. It can be accessed through the IFS, and we can have the audit for the QDLS. So the commands are always run and scheduled on the production system. They will collect data depending on the scope of audit that you've requested. Maxava will then capture the information and turn it into journal data. Replication will then process those audit events on the target system, and then by clicking on the target system, looking at the audit reports, you can then see the outcome of the audit that's produced on the target system.